Hi and welcome to the PipeMac animation, which shows in detail how this system works. First, you note the red line enclosing both excavators and the trench. This line marks the exclusion zone into which personnel may not enter at any time during the entire pipe laying process. Here you see the new pipe being laid and pushed home into the previously laid pipe in a precise and controlled manner, using the pipe push-home system. You can see that the excavator can view this pipe-to-pipe alignment and push-home connection via the in-cab monitor, which is receiving live video from the PipeBot camera. Using the radio control unit in the cab, the excavator driver now travels the PipeBot to the near end of the pipe and activates the second camera on the PipeBot to view the pipe laser target, which is mounted to the PipeBot. You now see the operator using the excavator controls to move the near end of the pipe until the pipe laser beam is on the target crosshairs. The pipe is now aligned to the correct line and gradient and is firmly held in this position, with the bottom of the pipe 150 millimeters above the bottom of the trench to allow for bedding shingle to be forced under the pipe during the compaction process. The second trailing excavator now deposits the pipe bedding shingle around the pipe. It then swaps over to the compactor attachment and compacts along the length of one side of the pipe. The operator then raises and rotates the compactor to the other side of the pipe and compacts that side. This unique compaction process forces the P-shingle completely underneath the pipe from both sides, while simultaneously compacting the shingle in the haunches of the pipe, all to a relative density of 95%. The process of installing the pipe is now complete and can be repeated over and over.